Hi YouTube, I am George and today I going to show you the snow. This time snowing a lot compared to free snow in December that I filmed, and I will show you how happy I am and snowing beautiful. Look how exciting. Snowing in Moldova. The oh my god. How is some country snowing? Yeah. And I have to work a little to clean the snow. I just have this instrument and I will clean a little on, and that's way. So let's look at the snow a little. So looking at the moment, so beautiful. I have the apple trees and snowing and so beautiful. Oh my god, beautiful. In January 2018, when was New Year, was no snow, but now it's snowing beautiful in Moldova, and that's why. Look how it looks. There is a cherry tree and look how beautiful it is now. That's good. Look what's going there, and some lot of snow, and on the door we can see oh my god, I have to clean there, and look, oh my god, that's amazing. Look at the windows, look how it looks now. My plants are not seen. Okay, beautiful snow. So it's the next day and there are ice, but will melt. I will be careful there, and I cleaned the snow so looks at the moment now. Today it's warm outside, no warm, but melting snow already. Look at the windows, and there I cleaned. I don't need humidity in my house, I don't need, and just I remove this if I can. Yeah, that's why. And my plants doing okay, the crassula and another plants. And there I clean it, so I cleaned there, so, and look what snow, and this tree. Okay, what doing my cat in the snow? I come here in my garden and so looking the snow at the moment, beautiful snow, and the beautiful willow tree I have there, and I dig it all my garden. I filmed it, but I will post later. I just don't have time to edit more video. And just look at the snow. Let's walk a little there. It seems that at my house was snowed more than there, but beautiful anyway. In this place in the summer I did grow watermelons, and so looking at the moment, and we can see apple tree there. You saw that video when was in summer, and beautiful place, so beautiful looking at the moment. I want to show you something. This is my oleander that I got from Turkey, and now it snowed on it, and I cleaned the snow, and it's doing okay. resistant to snow, to freeze these plants, so resistant and happy. I got them from Turkey and it have white flowers. And look, I clean the snow and plant doing okay. Now it's not so cold outside. There are water, I water my garden in the summertime. And that's why. Look at the sky, so beautiful now is today. And yesterday I did take some pictures on the sunset and looking so beautiful. And that's why. The sun already it's in, yeah. Fell the snow from that roof, falling snow, and the sun we can see the sun. Yeah, that's why. So thank you so much for watching to the end and beautiful snow. Have a good day. I am George, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and share, and have a good day. Bye.